Today's episode is 317 on how to clean a dirty shower. Do you wake up in the morning and have a yucky shower like this with soap scum, dirt along the walls, soap scum here? In this episode at Life Hacks for You, I'm going to show you how to clean this. Wake up in the morning to a dirty shower, soap scum here, soap scum. Look at all this soap scum here. Down here, along the edges. I've purposely let mine get pretty bad so I can show you how to clean it. You can see the soap scum there. Sometimes you'll get stuff growing in the corner, kind of a little bit of a red mold in the shower. I'll show you how to get rid of that as well. Down here on the bottom, you see some red mold in various cleaners. So you want to just protect your skin. I mean, they're like a penny to use. So start with, the best I found is Kaboom. It's got acid in it. Another reason to wear nitro gloves, but it's got acid in it. Just kind of spray it. One of the key mistakes that people make is they just spray the Kaboom on like that. Well, when you have your nitro gloves on, you need to smooth it out completely. Okay, you can do it with a sponge. But if you just do it with your nitro gloves on, that's fine. Smear it all over. Smear it like that. Make sure you've got a fan on. Yeah, just smear it like that. We're all wiped down. 2 o'clock, let's leave that for 15 minutes. Okay, next we need to hook the pressure washer to the shower head so we don't have to run a hose from the outside. First of all, just take the shower head off. It typically unscrews off. This is a 1/2-inch piece of pipe. Get a 1/2-inch adapter to garden hose adapter. Okay, avail with the 1/2-inch pipe to garden hose. Then get a double garden hose. Double garden hose. Put that there. Put that on your shower head. The 1/2-inch pipe. Okay. Then hook the garden hose that goes to the pressure washer right there. Okay. Nice and neat. Make it snug. So we have the garden hose hooked to the shower head. Comes down here. Make sure there's no kinks in it. Hooked to the pressure washer. And pressure washer's plugged into a GFI. It's got a built-in GFI anyway. So let's unravel that. Make sure you've got your safety goggles on. And let's go tackle some soap scum. Scum right here. Go up and down each line of grout, cleaning all the scum out of it. About 3 or 4 minutes of pressure washing. All the water stays in the shower. All the soap scum is gone. All the red mold is gone. The threshold is clean. I'll wipe this off and I'll show you guys the end result. Here's the shower, here's the glass. Very little soap scum on the glass. No soap scum down here. That's all been blasted away. All here as well. There used to be soap scum all down here. There was red mold here. That's all gone. And it was all done without any scrubbing. Just a little bit of ingenuity and a pressure washer. The end result, totally sparkling clean shower, done in about 25 minutes with no scrubbing. Out of the way, dogs. This is a Ryobi 1600 PSI electric pressure washer. I like the electric because it's easy. You plug it in and it works. You hook it to a garden hose. You don't have to deal with gas or anything like that. This is one of the essential lifehacksforyou.net toolbox is a pressure washer. We'll use this in multiple projects. Hose thread to 1/2-inch pipe. Double hose thread. Cleaner, another essential lifehacksforyou.net cleaning tool. We use this in multiple projects. Essential lifehacksforyou.net tool. Always have to have good lighting. This is a Ryobi 18 volt. It's got 3 lighting settings, medium, low, then off. It's just essential to have good light. Lifehacksforyou.net tool is a Ryobi 18 volt drill. It's a good lightweight drill. It's not real heavy duty, but it gets the job done for most household projects.